look at the drivers from the 70s and 80s who are dealing with cars, turbo engines and massive tyres and big amounts of grip, they were quite well built, weren't they? Big lap.
Yes, exactly. The G-forces, just reacting to the G-forces. So resist the movement of your head. And of course this race, it's a amount, so drivers should find this track quite good for them. Pascal Wehrlein 1-2-1 more to kick off. Two fastest tyres, Max Verstappen. And it's, definitely very slippery as a change. Now, changed in 2015. Yeah, 2015 they changed it slightly. Oh, we've already got a Manor.
That was just behind Max Verstappen, so pretty much where Verstappen had his slide, Wehrlein had a larger slide. We saw it confused safely, red flag out, and because it's a practice session, the time time continues, kind of sticks the car to the ground. Off camera does exactly the opposite thing. And that is the reason why we have the red flag. The F plate doesn't fly right, instead it goes that was after a whole afternoon's worth of racing action. We've only had 1, 2 sessions, 3 sessions. So overnight and rain, a little bit of rain. This is the left part of that bridge that meant that corner was a little bit faster. In circuit with different chicanes and the Singapore Slinger. It was actually keeps its name. Very tricky little chicane with big old curves that slung you into the wall if you got it wrong. We've now eliminated that corner, so it's simply a left-hand turn.
And we've got a Sauber that stopped as well. That's Felipe. I think he's just gone straight on at a corner and just needs to get himself back. Good spin turn, almost too good, and he rejoins.
See, so he's going down the inside of the Haas, but he's completely off.
Massa saying, I don't know what Gutierrez was doing on the road, and he came down the inside of Gutierrez, and then makes himself turned 13 in second gear, and he just outbraked himself and went straight on.
Well, yesterday we had Dan Ricciardo criticising Felipe Nasr. Yeah, Felipe Nasr was criticising
actually, of course, we did hear somebody say what that is.
Kimi Raikkonen in the Ferrari as well. He's done the best sectors in first and second sector, so this should put him on the top of the timesheets on a use of the comes towards the final 2 corners of the Marina Bay lap. And let's see what he does. Over the line he goes, and it's a 1:46.813 for Kimi Raikkonen. Should take this Valtteri Bottas. Really tricky.
Well, we're just 20 minutes into this session. We've had a third of it so far. There's the section underneath the grandstand at turn 18 and turn 19. Here comes Valtteri Bottas. Picks the lap in third place. And they've managed managed to find a solution overnight for Williams. We'll have to see, because at the moment they're third and fourth. He is a big man. He's a big chap.
Wonderful remake stand.
Brilliant.
Oh, Sainz on a good lap.
Unless it's a bit cloudy. You can be so high that you can't actually see anything.
That's nice to see the clouds. It was quite overcast. But as the day's gone on, the blue skies have come out and they're probably going to clear just in time for the light to go down. Carlos Sainz there. Through turn 21, they've repainted that down, and then tries to dive on Sauber.
Yeah, as it was on circuit as well. So, not certain which of the two. Nico Rosberg sets the fastest time in the first sector. I think it might have been Marcus Ericsson actually. Yeah, I think it was Marcus Ericsson who was ahead actually that was going down into turn 1. Now they're following Nico. Incidentally runs from the start finishing line to just before the turn 7 at Esplanade, just before it goes on to the Nico Highway, just opposite the Marina Mandarin. The second sector is from there back to just when we talk about sectors, that's what we're talking about.
New set of tyre for setting a time in Q2. Do so. It's too hard for a time in Q2, but a 45.544 equals what he did on the soft tyre, super soft tyre yesterday. So good effort from Nico Rosberg, and there is Stoffel van Dorme, 2017.
GP2 champion last year, the feeder series, sometimes for Formula 1, and the Belgian driver. Wehrlein and Nico Hulkenberg in the pits at the moment. I'm a bit worried about Nico Hulkenberg because no time from him. Sebastian Vettel very quick on this lap. Personal best in the second sector, but the fastest time overall in the first. Here is Sebastian Vettel.
Yeah, half a second down. Rosberg was on the super soft rather than the ultra soft. And so Vettel with, in theory, a tyre advantage, but a time disadvantage. Nico Hulkenberg himself ready, open position. In either FP1 to remain as
He's got second to his teammate, just over a quarter of a second behind Rosberg. So it's a Mercedes 1-2, Rosberg from Hamilton, then the two Ferraris of Vettel and Raikkonen, and then the two Red Bulls of Verstappen.
people prefer to use so it isn't really comparable to Rosberg, Hamilton, Vettel or Raikkonen. We have seen soft or
Fifth place, well done to Spanish youngster. Fifth place for Carlos Sainz. He's ahead now of the two Red Bulls in the Toro Rosso. This is Romain Grosjean. Crossed up there, wow.
The Sahara Force India tweeting at Force India F1. Before anyone gets their knickers in a twist, the balaclava is on Nico's head. And it's just
so, yes, Force India has been Sands Hotel, looking down on the final sector of the circuit. Interesting little comment down the sector, particularly as you go through
well, through the final section of the lap, you've got some very slow speed
leaving his signature on the wall there.
But so you've got, as you say, those going through the final two turns. We see that quite a lot.
Nico Rosberg's spin.
And look at how the tyres at the back, that right rear tyre, it's like a bit of a